In this guide, we'll show you step-by-step methods to download and save iCloud contacts as CSV files quickly and easily. Method 1. Export iCloud contacts directly to CSV without iCloud. If you want to export iCloud contacts directly to a CSV file without visiting iCloud.com or converting VecFF files manually, Coolmuster iCloud Backup Recovery can be a more convenient solution. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster iCloud Backup Recovery on your Windows PC or Mac. Launch the program and sign in with your Apple ID and password. If two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the verification code to continue. Step 2. After logging in, select Contacts as the data type and click Next. The software will scan your iCloud backup and display all available contact information for preview. Step 3. Choose the contacts you want to export. Click Recover to Computer and select CSV as the output format. The contacts will then be saved to your computer and can be opened in Excel or imported into other services. Method 2. Export contacts from iCloud.com and convert to CSV. You can export contacts from iCloud.com for free on Windows or Mac, but since iCloud only provides VecFF files, you'll need to convert them to CSV to use in Excel or other tools. Step 1. Open your browser and go to iCloud.com. Then sign in with your Apple ID. Click Contacts to enter your contact library. Step 2. Click the gear icon in the lower left corner and choose Select All if you want to export every contact. Then click the gear icon again and select Export VCard. Your contacts will be downloaded as a VecFF file and saved to your computer. Step 3. Since CSV export is not supported directly by iCloud, open a trusted VecFF to CSV converter or import the VecFF file into a contacts management tool that supports CSV export. Follow the on-screen instructions to convert and save the file as CSV. Method 3. How to export iCloud contacts to CSV on Windows or Mac. If you want to manage your contacts locally, another option is to export iCloud contacts to CSV directly on your computer. The workflow is slightly different between Windows and Mac, but both methods allow you to save contacts in a format that works with Excel, Google Contacts, CRM systems, and other platforms. Export iCloud contacts to CSV on Windows. Windows does not include a built-in option to export iCloud contacts directly to CSV, but you can complete the process through the Contacts app. Step 1. Open iCloud.com in a browser and sign in with your Apple ID. Go to Contacts and export your contacts as a VecFF file. Step 2. On your Windows PC, open the Contacts app or import the VecFF file into Outlook if needed. Then import the downloaded VecFF file. Step 3. After the contacts appear, choose the export option and select CSV, separated values as the output format. Save the file to your preferred location. Export iCloud contacts to CSV on Mac. Mac users can use the built-in Contacts app to export iCloud contacts and convert them for easier management. Step 1. Open the Contacts app on your Mac and make sure iCloud contacts syncing is enabled. Step 2. Select the contacts you want to export. From the menu bar, click File Export VCard to save the contacts as a VecFF file. Step 3. Use a CSV conversion tool or import the VecFF file into an application that supports CSV export. Then save the contacts as a CSV file.